Hi everyone, so we're going to go through a series of videos. This is the first one, and this one's going to be how to put a template into your Schoology class, the one that Michelle Tyndall created for us. Then we will go through how to use the header that she created and update that. And then I'll also include one on how to create these little banners right here that have any image you want with the class name and the hour in it as well, so that it displays that way to your students instead of by section number. So the first thing you need to do is go up here to this little waffle, click on it, hit App Center, and then install the Google Drive resource app. So you just click on it, hit install, agree, install, and there it goes. Okay. So then if I go back to my courses, I want to pick a course that doesn't have it in already. So I'm going to pick this class right here. And it should look something like this, where there is no template in here. So in order to add the template, I'm going to hit Add Materials, go down to Import from Resources. Then I'm going to hover over Group and click Group, Birmingham Public Schools. And I'm going to scroll down here to the high school course template. I don't want to select this here and import. What I want to do is actually click on High School Course Template, open up so I have all the materials, click on this white box next to title so it selects everything, and then hit import. Import again, and it's going to give you the exact template that we're supposed to be using. This template has this right here that we will go through how to do in just a second. For Zoom, based on Ambika's email, we don't need to worry about these anymore if you don't want to. Down here it has a course document, so any overarching course documents like your syllabus and that you want to put in, here would be the place. And then it has stuff from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, and a week of August 31st folder. If you notice, there's nothing in there, but if you click on the week of September 7th, you have already made folders for those 5 days. So what's going to happen is as we teach, we put our Monday stuff here, Tuesday stuff here, etc. At the end of the week next week, what we want to do is move all of these folders into the week of August 31st folder. So we just go down here, and you should see, notice how if I go down here, it's a big gray box, but if I go here, it's a smaller one. That smaller gray box means that it's going to end up inside the folder of the week of August 31st, so I just drop it there. Then I can grab this one, come down here. Again, I want that small gray box, so I put it there. Same thing here. Doesn't really matter if they're in any particular order. And you can arrange them in there, so if you want them daily in the correct order, like I can move Tuesday up so that they're all set. Okay? Then if I collapse it down, now that week is archived. What I would then want to do to prepare for the next week is grab this Monday folder and move it out. This Tuesday folder, move it out. And just move all of these out here. So now I'm all set. I can minimize that if I really want to, but now I already have all the folders set for that next week to put all the material in. Again, when I'm done with this week, I'm going to put them all back into that week of September 7th and then pull all the ones out from week of September 14th. This prior weeks folder would be if you want to, as these weeks are archived, you could drag them all into there. So it keeps it nice and neat. Patrick Hoover created templates of all the weeks for the rest of the trimester. So if you would like that, you can talk to Kyle or myself and we'll be able to push it out to you as well. That's how to import the template. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.